So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to always on participants video on Zoom application. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open any web browser in your computer and then search for zoom.us. Right away after getting on the website, the first thing you guys will need to do is log into your account on this top right section. After that you guys can be able to see this option right here, which is called my account. Now just select this option and it will get you on the profile page. After that on your left guys, you can see there are a bunch of options and one of these options known as settings. Now just select this option and it will get you on this page. Right away on this page you guys will need to scroll down a little bit further until you guys see this section which is called schedule meetings. And in this section of schedule meetings you guys can see this second option which is called participants video. So guys, this is the feature that will help you whenever a participants get into the meeting, their video will be on always. So you just need to do is switch on this option, and just like that guys, now you have successfully activated participants video so guys, whenever they get into your meeting, their videos will be always on. So that's how you guys can be able to always on your participants video on Zoom application. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.